Power inverters for vehicles are essential for keeping modern electronics powered on the move, whether you're commuting, road tripping, camping, or relying on critical equipment during emergencies. The category covers a range of wattages, protections, and port configurations, from compact 200 to 300 watt units to robust 1000 watt models that can run higher demand devices like laptops and medical equipment. For this review, I evaluated 5 units that span a realistic consumer spectrum, a budget-friendly 200 watt option, 2 300 to 400 watt mid-range models, a 400 watt with advanced charging ports, and a high-capacity 1000 watt inverter. Product number 1. Pro Chaser 400W Power Inverters for Vehicles, DC 12V to AC 1110V, Car Inverter Converter. The Pro Chaser PCIV 400-SRD delivers a steady 400 watt continuous output with an 800 watt peak and dual 110 volt outlets, plus 2 USB ports rated at 3.18 each. It emphasizes travel readiness with a 30-inch cord and a safety-centric design that includes an internal cooling fan that kicks in around 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Celsius. The device is compact, roughly cell phone sized, and carries UL/CE/UKCA certifications, which adds to consumer confidence. Prospective buyers will appreciate the balance of power and portability, plus the promise of a 12-month warranty. Performance-wise, the inverter targets typical laptop and smaller appliance loads, laptops around 300 to 400 watts, media players, and chargers, while maintaining protection against overload, overheating, and voltage irregularities. Product number 2, 400 watt power inverter. FSAT BTNE's 400 watt inverter offers 2 AC outlets, a USB-C port up to 65 watts, and a USB-A port up to 18 watts, with a focus on fast charging and smart protection. Its aluminum housing promises durable heat dissipation, and an onboard MCU protects against overheating, overcurrent, short circuits, and more. It measures a compact footprint and includes a 24-inch cigarette lighter plug for broad vehicle compatibility, making it a practical all-rounder for road trips and camping. In practice, the unit emphasizes charging speed and device identification to optimize power delivery. The 65-watt USB-C can handle laptops and newer tablets, while the 18-watt USB-A covers phones and smaller devices. The built-in cooling fan with temperature sensing helps maintain performance under load, but you may notice fan noise at higher speeds. Product number 3, Twing Car 1000 watt inverter. Twing's 1000 watt inverter is designed for more demanding workloads, offering dual 110 volt outlets and USB ports, including QC 3.0 and PD 4.0/3.0 capable Type-C, with a digital display and safety features like cooling fans, over/under voltage protections, and a compact form factor. It notes a 750 watt continuous output with 1000 watt peak, which is typical for many 1000 watt units due to thermal limits. The device is marketed for vehicles, camping, and emergencies, with RoSH, CE, FCC certifications that reinforce regulatory compliance. In use, the Twing inverter is well suited for laptops, large tablets, and other higher wattage devices, thanks to its higher continuous rating and 2 USB ports, including PD, that help keep mobile devices charged, while the AC outlets power larger electronics. Product number 4, 300 watt car power inverter. DreamX 300 watt unit targets compact power needs with a 300 watt continuous rating, 2 AC outlets, and USB-C, USB-A ports, 65 watt PD, and 18 watt QC typical. It emphasizes a small footprint, a quiet fan, and a 1-year guarantee with a straightforward plug-and-play design. The protection suite includes overload, overheat, and short circuit protections, making it suitable for everyday use and spare power on longer drives. Performance-wise, the inverter supports laptops and smaller appliances, with enough headroom to power a fridge gadget or a small projector if loads are managed carefully. The device's compact size and glove box-friendly dimensions are ideal for travelers who want minimal intrusion. Users should note that the total USB-C PD will cap around 65 watts, so high wattage laptops may run closer to the edge of capability. Product number 5. 200W Car Power Inverter. The 200W DreamMech unit is a budget-friendly, compact inverter with 2 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including 24W USB-C fast charging. It features an LED display showing battery input voltage and error codes, plus a protective set that guards against overload, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. The product markets a 12V vehicle compatibility and a 1-year warranty, aiming at road trips, camping, and everyday use where lighter loads dominate. In practical terms, the LED display is a strong usability feature for real-time battery awareness, which helps prevent depleting the car battery during extended use. The multi-port configuration, 2 AC outlets, plus 3 USB ports, enables charging of multiple devices at once, though total wattage remains capped at 200W, so you should not expect to run power-hungry appliances simultaneously.